Tonight, all eyes are on Udine as the city hosts the UEFA Super Cup for the very first time. Champions League meets Europa League in a clash that brings world-class football and thousands of fans to the heart of Friuli Venezia Giulia.
Yes, I am excited because it's the first event of such importance that is located in Udine, my city, and I have this match near my home because I live near the stadium.
Udine is a small city, and to have the final of the Super Cup is absolutely fantastic.
Sì, penso che sia un evento molto importante per Udine perché comunque parliamo sicuramente di un evento mediatico che di fatto non trova paragoni con il passato, diciamo, della città udinese.
I think I will root for Paris Saint-Germain, but they are both strong clubs, so I hope for Paris, but if Tottenham wins, I'm happy eitherwise.
Tottenham, 100%. Just got a feeling we're going to win this. We're going to win it, yeah.
But I'm not so fan of football. It's my boyfriend that loves all of this. I'm only here because I work in Udine.
I was so surprised when I learned that they were going to play here, and also the stadium is near my house, so I was excited.
Yes, I think it's a great event, and I'm very excited for this match.
I work in a bar and it's bringing many tourists. I think it's great for the city.